I'm not gonna say nothing else aside from the fact that Courtney Janine made me do it. Hey guys, Najee here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Welcome to the Najee gang. Today, we're gonna get into an Outre melted hairline lace front wig. This is what she looked like. Miss Courtney Janine has been knocking out these wig videos and making me want to try them. She sold me, so she better, Outre, you better sponsor her, you better give her her promo codes, and you better send her some free product, because I literally bought one of these, and depending on how this review goes, I might buy more because of her. So Courtney, you did that. I'm gonna link her series and her channel down below so you guys can get into the videos that she has been dropping, because like when I tell you I was inspired, I was inspired. Okay, today we're getting into Miss Seraphine in the color Cherry Red. That's what she looks like. My lights are very bright, so I'm sorry if the glare is horrendous, but this is the box. So melted hairline lace front wig. It's a frontal effect, baby hair is included, there's an elastic at the back, and it is heat resistant fiber called High-Tex, and it's safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's also HD transparent lace. This specific model of wig is Seraphine, and the color again is dark cherry red. They have hella colors and I wanted them, but my local beauty supply store was sold out of a lot of them, which is fair. We are in a Panasonic, so I get it. So I thought, let's get the dark cherry red, because I never do red hair. Like, never. It's not within my genetic makeup. Actually, that's a lie, because Jamaicans love our red hair. But me specifically, I feel like it aged me, or the color red ages me, so I've never really dip my toe into red hair. So today I'm excited to get into that. If you want to see me get into this wig, then just hit the subscribe button, scroll down, join the Najee gang, and let's get into this video. So I am gonna open her up. I haven't opened it, I haven't touched it, I don't know what it's looking like. I think she ran about $75, which is pretty pricey for a synthetic wig or like human-like wig. I get it, but $75 or like $400. Like it's like, depending on what your budget is, she might be perfect, you know? You can wash her, interesting, and deep condition her. Okay. Take this home out. Those are all the colors, that's the style. You get this card, you can see another color, another couple colors. Let's get into it. It is a lace front wig, but it's not a full lace wig. So what that means is that the most important part for that natural looking effect, which is the front and your part, are lace. So those are gonna be your natural looking aspects. It is not a full lace wig in the sense that you cannot part and do whatever you want in here willy-nilly. But again, it does say HD lace. The thing is this is synthetic, so you cannot bleach the knots. I'm pretty sure you can't bleach the knots in synthetic hair because you're basically bleaching plastic, and plastic doesn't bleach. Plastic is anything, like any kind of packaging. You can't bleach it. If you put bleach on it, it's not gonna change color. So that's my understanding of it. Correct me if I'm wrong. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna try and make her look as natural as possible. And I'm also going to probably try straightening her. Oh, the color looks nice. I'm probably gonna try straightening her just a little bit, just so I can get like a vibe of like what we're actually working with here and do like a full review. I'm just gonna customize her and install her like I would any other wig. I'm gonna speed through it all because, like I said in my last wig video, there's like hella wig videos on YouTube. I've done hella wig videos. So there's really no point in me wasting your time with that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna zoom through it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I'm happy to answer them, okay? So let's get into it. I hate wigs with clips in them, but there are clips in here, so personally I would cut these out. But if you are someone who loves clips, they are in there for you. The elastic band is in there as well. So I'm just gonna try her on so you guys can see what she looks like before I start customizing. Ah, this is why I hate clips. Ooh, like, it just be digging in your head sometimes. Okay. Oh wow. Really don't ever wear red hair. Like, never. Oh, I feel like I have a big head. It's a tight cap. And I don't think my head's that big. I'm not against the red at all. Like, the hairline actually is pretty damn natural. Like, I'm not gonna lie. And the color is actually like very pretty. Like, it's it's really well done. Like, it's not just like, which is why I actually like this wig of all the wigs that I've seen in the collection. I like this one because it's like, it's two-tone. Like, if you saw my last SZA video, like, it's serving me that. Like, it's serving me my new brand, which is to have like two-tone hair. And the hair moves like really well. So it's really giving me human. but like the fact that she's actually serving like edges and scalp is like crazy to me. Like the synthetic, like I don't have to really pluck her. Like I'm actually shocked. And let's get into customizing. Like on camera without even baby hairs, serving. This is crazy. Okay, let me go get my straightener on. So I'm gonna keep it low. I'm not gonna put it too high. I'm just gonna leave it on 320. Just to be safe. But it's the way that I'm gonna recommend this to all my babes who are scared of wigs, who are scared of lace fronts. For me, like it really wasn't a lot. It wasn't any work. You kind of just do what you would do if you were doing your own hair. Like I lit my baby hairs, but instead of using the gel that I would use on my natural hair, I use the ORS grip gel. That's like something that I think a lot of people who are starting in the wig game, like a misconception is that, well, in this case it's not human hair, but when you are working with human hair, I can just do what I want to do. Because when you're attaching a lace front, you have like glue or gel or something that's holding it down, you have to account for the lace. Like yes, the hair will respond like your hair will, but because of the lace, you have to remember you're trying to keep something down as well. So I use the grip gel, and I think that you just basically follow the same things, like how can I make this look good or how can I make this look natural. If you keep that in mind, like you're gonna have no problems. You're gonna have no problems the way that I have no problems with, like, it's like really the way that I'm like, wow, this is synthetic. And I'm just doing this to brighten the bit between my wig cap and my forehead. I feel bamboozled that I've been spending so much money on like human hair wigs when I don't wear wigs every day. So to spend that kind of money on something that I really only put on for y'all is like crazy. $75 is where it's at. Aha! Okay, let's straighten this piece. Actually, I'm gonna try and curl it even more. This piece at the back, because I want me straighten. And I do. Let's try and straighten a piece back here. Now, they might have did something. This straightens. This is like a waist length wig. This is perfect for like, okay, you guys hear me say, well, we're going back outside all the time, but I'm dead serious. Like, when we're going back outside and you have like all these events, first of all, the pandemic taught me that I need to be smart with my money. So spending like $400 or $500 on like several wigs at a time is not wise, not the way. So to me, this is great for like girls trips. I see it. This is perfect for stuff like that, where you just need something cheap that you can throw in the bag. If I'm going on a girls trip, I can pack like 5 of these. One for the airport, wear that one for 2 days. Then the next 2 days, switch it up, and you can still have access to your hair. Wow, I love this. And again, she curls and she straightens. Like, who this? Call, let me call all my girls who have been like dying for a good wig. And then coloring wise, it's like it's a perfect color. like coloring job and the color looks good on me, so I can have different looks and I didn't have to do any of the dyeing or any of the work. Do you see these edges? Again, I didn't pluck, I didn't do nothing because I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like as it comes. The most I did was tint the lace with the airbrush legs, which I showed you, and that's because I'm black. Like, I'm black. So I'm not gonna come on here and just like roast the wig if the lace is light. Like all lace, even human wigs that I buy, the lace is always light. That's something I always plan for having to do. This took me no time. I didn't have to style it, I didn't have to color, I didn't have to do nothing. When I dye hair, it takes me like 2 days. Wow, I feel bamboozled. Like I really feel like, I'm speechless. I'm actually speechless. It's like I have to back up so I can get it all in frame for you guys because it's long. Make sure my boobs are in. Again, I'm not over the color or any of this. Wow, they might have did something. They might have did something. Anyways, let me wrap up this video because I'm done. Like I feel like I'm forgetting to do something. Wow, $75. I'm not mad at it. I'm not. I have paid more money for shittier quality and I still have to do all the work. I'm done. I'm done. Let me get off here so I can show off my wig. Let me know what you guys think, how you guys feel. How do you feel about Miss Seraphine? And especially this color. I might have to pull out red more often because I'm like obsessed. Anyways, okay, for the 10th time, let me wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. And as always, subscribe to me. It doesn't pay my bills yet, but it will one day. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!